Now that's a tribute. The Jennifer's body beauty was the center of attention while rocking a sexy Mugler bodysuit to a VIP fashion show. Megan Fox, 35, certainly knows how to make an entrance. And all eyes were on the Transformers beauty once again when she graced a VIP viewing of the Jimmy Choo x Mugler collab in LA on February 8. The brunette bombshell oozed confidence while rocking a sexy, sheer, corset dress by the late designer Thierry Mugler, who passed on January 23, 2022 at age 73. Looking radiant, Megan's long legs and flirty décolletage were on full display with the black frock, which featured peekaboo sheer panels to create Mugler's signature sci-fi style. A short flouncy skirt, dark tights, and pointy stilettos with heaps of ankle chains continued to showcase the starlet's stellar stems. The Jennifer's body talent was eager to strike a pose, giving photographers a look at every angle of her ensemble during her strut down the red carpet. Making the most of the spotlight, Megan ran her hands through her hair seductively for the perfect shot while placing a sassy hand on her hip and pouting. And of course, there was one accessory she was eager to flaunt as he star flashed her giant diamond and emerald engagement ring from fiancé Machine Gun Kelly, 31. Related gallery. Celebrities wearing corsets, photos of Bella Hadid and more. The star hardly looked worried about her ex Brian Austin Green, 48, and girlfriend Sharna Burgess's recent pregnancy announcement. In fact, Megan is very happy for the former 90,210 star with who she shares 3 boys with. Megan is really happy that Brian has found someone who makes him happy, and she thinks Sharna is such a doll, a source exclusively told Hollywood Life. Megan has congratulated Brian and Sharna and she really couldn't be more thrilled for them. Megan feels like Sharna is a total blessing and thinks she's going to make an amazing mom. Touching on the former couple's co-parenting skills, the insider said, "One thing that Megan will never take away from Brian is that he is a damn good father and always has been. They have both moved on and she realizes that they split so that they could each find their true soul partners." Megan is happy that Brian has found someone so deserving of his love who loves him back.